All right, now that we've got these soles all prepped and the uppers all prepped, we're gonna go downstairs. You see the mark on my face? Holy, from the mask. We're gonna go downstairs and find the donors for this project, and then throw them in the donor separation oven and take them apart. These are the donors we're gonna be using. The other one, it's right here. I'm pretty sure the client sent these in too. Once again, bending down because, oh yeah, look at all those boxes over there. Isn't that crazy? Oh yeah, we got a pair of rare Air Jordan 4s curing over there. Just put those on today. Let's go ahead and throw these in the donor separation oven. Let's do it. Okay, so now we've got the tabs cured. It's time to install these guys. I'm simply going to literally shove the tabs straight into the socket right here. Very simple, very easy process. I'm gonna go do this off camera really quickly. If you guys wanna see a separate video on how I installed these, I'll make one and upload it, but let me know if you guys wanna see that. But I'm literally gonna do that, so let's just do this. And just like that, we got the tab installed. It was literally super easy, quick. I'm gonna do the other one off camera. Then we're gonna lace these up, do our final touch-ups, take a look at the before and afters. I'm really excited to see how these came out. Let me know what you guys think so far of how this video is. Please let me know if you've been enjoying it. I'm just trying to really make my videos as good as I can. I don't know. I'm sort of just setting up the camera and going with it. You know what I mean? And being me. You feel me? So I don't know if you guys are enjoying this. I hope you are. It seems to me I've posted about like 15 videos so far, so everything has sort of been going well, I think. And if you guys are enjoying, just let me know in the comments. Subscribe if you want to see more videos and you want the videos to get better, and I don't know.